Unlike other areas of foster care, unlike other states, unlike other parts of the state, KVC is monitoring and tracking the psychotropic medication for every child that we serve.
As we are treating and addressing the trauma in the child, that's again getting to more of the heart of what's going on for that child and not just focusing on those presenting symptoms.
A number of infants were even being prescribed psychotropic medication. That is kind of unbelievable.
We have developed a pretty sophisticated monitoring and tracking system for psychotropic medication. We know that nationally, up to 50% of children can be on medication while they're in foster care. And at KVC, we see less than 9% of children on psychotropic medication.
While we may need medications in the beginning, as we make progress with that child and that family, we can taper off that use of psychotropic medication.
We would hope that others would begin to focus with some system that would allow them to check in real time the types of medications that are being placed on these young people, if they're appropriate or if they're not. And if they're not, then to begin to take them off that medication.
If they're in medication but they're also not receiving an adjunct therapy like individual or family therapy, the system will be alerted and it allows the case management team to make an immediate response to keep that child safe.
It really is important to intervene early and to have frequent intervention, not just we're going to bring you to a therapist once whenever we feel like it, but as often as recommended.
Where people come into relationship, there's less opportunity for fragmentation, for information to be gapped, for dangerous decisions to be made.
And then we can set goals or we can monitor trends and we can change what's happening with children in real time, which is so different than what's happening in other areas.
Their families, their communities, we all have a stake in that. Safeguarding childhood is everyone's business, and yet we tend to sort of delegate that to a relative few.
It's back to what would you want for your own child. We wouldn't want our own children to be on any more medication than was necessary. And as soon as our own children were doing better in the context of safe, stable relationships, we would want their medication to be reduced. And our system allows for that.
KVC is engaged in a lot of research projects because we want to be able to utilize the practices that work.